Hello friends, Miss Kabumba here. In honor of me being a part of the amazing Spider-Man community, I'm gonna do an MJ inspired look with my eyeshadow. So get into this cosplay. Right. Hey, okay, so my primer be my makeup bag, and that's why it looks brown, but it's not brown. It's some good stuff. It's Rimmel London. Get into it. Anyways, I use Manga 2B Anime Palette by Rude Cosmetics. You can use my code Carolina for love discounts. Hey, but wait, as I'm zooming out, I'm looking like a Okay, all jokes aside, my goodness, I look so pale and ashy. All types of ashy. But you know what? That's what primer does to your skin. It kind of just takes away all that oiliness so that the foundation can really sit on your skin. And that's what I'm putting on my face right now. So I outline my eyebrows with foundation and I go over and under and I kind of pour it around my forehead area because I will be having foundation all over my face. But right now the focus is just on my eyebrows and eyelid area. The reason I don't put foundation all over my face just yet is because when you do your eyebrows and eyeshadow, you're gonna have a little bit of fallout that ends up landing on your cheeks, and you don't want it to land all over your cheeks when you're not even done your makeup look yet. So this just works well for all of us. Here, I just want to perfect my eyebrow shape, going in just a little bit more, checking myself out, and as I was satisfied with it, I blend out the foundation, and now, time for me to put on some concealer. So I put concealer around my eyebrows, not as thick as I put the foundation, because concealer is just to pop the eyebrows out just a little bit more, you know, hide any little bit of imperfection you got. And I put concealer on my eyelids as well, because after blending that out, it's going to help as an eyeshadow base. When you put concealer before eyeshadow, your eyeshadow really pops in color. And this is so good for my girlies that like a really pigmented bright eyeshadow color. With this Spider-Man inspired look, I wanted the red to be very bright because, well, Spidey's suit is bright red and I want it to match the suit I'm wearing, and I just want to match the whole vibe, and bright colors look so good on dark skin. Come on. Yeah, so I think I'm about done right there, and I have my eyeshadows, so I'm going to use CoverGirl and NYX. Right here, I am packing on the red by NYX. NYX didn't come to play. I'm using quite a few NYX products in this video. One being the eyeshadow, and you're gonna see later on I go in with NYX eyeliner. Yeah, you're just gonna keep packing on that eyeshadow for this look. And I'm basically packing it in the shape I want it to be. Because as I was doing this makeup look, there was no tutorial I was following. I just, you know, went with my instincts and said I should do that. And then go in with blue eyeshadow. Alright, you saw the blue eyeshadow clip? I'm so sorry I cut right through there, because I'm pretty sure my camera was dying. And now I'm just using the NYX red eyeshadow as blush because I wanted it to be really bright. Yeah, everything's kind of self-explanatory here, but you know, I'm here being your soothing voice on this channel. And now we're gonna go with the highlight. With the highlight, I used the Celerine palette. What I love about ColourPop is it's very true to its name, cause it's gonna pop on your complexion for real. Right, we pretty much got all the base down. Ooh, and I put it on when my camera died, but I did have a little bit of powder. Anyhow, the eyeliners. Now this is what really gives the Spider-Man look. I decided to draw spider webs with the eyeliner. You can see that I'm going in very slowly and very gently because I do not want to mess this up. Take your time with this, because if you go too quickly, then you have to wipe off the eyeliner and wipe off the foundation and powder and do it all over again. So take your time with this. What I decided to do to draw the spider webs, I realized 4 lines isn't enough, so I think I went in with 6. So that's the 5th one. And then the 6th one, 7. I did 7. And I'm looking at a spider web reference to help me out just a little bit. I did a straight line along my eyeshadow, and then I did those curved lines to give the effects of the spider web. This video here is sped through because I very much did take my time with this. The little graphic liner effects is what took a while with this look, honestly. Yeah, you're not gonna need too much for this look. Just red eyeshadow, blue eyeshadow, white eyeliner, and black eyeliner. I highly recommend NYX when it comes to liners, just because it's very pigmented, it's very smooth. I love the pens. It just works well with me. NYX has not failed me. Now I'm using the black eyeliner. I had to zoom in really quickly because I'm gonna draw a spider inspired by Spider-Man's spider that's on his chest. And oh my goodness, I was really just locked in with the liner that I was not even noticing that my camera cropped the eyeliner, but you guys can overall see the process. I just basically followed the, Spider-Man spider. And over here, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I figured out my idea later on. And remember, I had it dye on camera. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't do the other eye on camera. I just put my eyelashes on, finished my hair in costume.
And there you have it. That's my Mary Jane Spider-Man inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of my videos. We're uploading Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays. Maybe not every single time, but we try to be consistent. Thank you so much for watching.